Go home happy with the 2018 Audi Q7. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Get the features you need and the comfort and style you've been hoping for. This well-equipped vehicle is an excellent value and will help you make the most of every drive. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, power driver seat,